Laurel is an evergreen shrub native to the Mediterranean, but now cultivated the world over. A laurel wreath symbolizes triumph, martial victory, committed service, and attainment of higher education. Named after this branch of the olive tree family, the Laurel School, established in 1994 by the Laurel Educational Trust of Coimbatore, embodies in itself all of the traits of its namesake. Known for its high discipline and quality of education, its motto, "All are teachable," is the reason it is today celebrating its Silver Jubilee.
On this special occasion of Silver Jubilee of Laurel Metric Higher Secondary School, I take immense pleasure in delivering the success behind the laurels and thousands of alumni who are around the globe, shining in different walks of life, higher positions, and leading many people to success. Desire with discipline leads to destination. As far as our Laurel's principle is concerned, standard education and strict discipline are two eyes of the Laurelites. We take discipline into the student's heart, because without discipline, life cannot be successful. With the discipline, we can attain the heights and we can reach the goals. The discipline is the bridge between the goal and the achievements. The Bible says, folly is in the heart of the baby. So, right from the childhood, children are likely to commit mistakes. But if you teach the right path, the child will be following till their end. So, it is our duty to teach the right thing in the right time, so that the children will be following the right thing always in their life. So, Laurel, as an institution, we impose discipline along with education to make the life success.
படிக்கணும் எல்கேஜி சேர்க்கும் கொஞ்சம் பயமாக இருந்தது. பையன் எப்படி படிப்பாங்க? ஆக்சுவலி ஃபஸ்ட் இயர்லேயே வந்து ஃபஸ்ட்டு 1th கிளாஸ் படிக்கணும், நல்ல பேர் வாங்கிட்டான், நல்ல டிசிப்ளின் நல்லா கற்றுக்கிட்டான். ஃபஸ்ட்டு கிளாஸ் ஸ்கூல்லேயே நல்ல மார்க் வாங்கி நல்ல பேர் எப்போதும் பேர் எடுத்து ஃபஸ்ட்டு பையன் வந்து இங்கே படித்து முடிந்து காலேஜ் முடிச்சதுக்கப்புறம் உடனே அவங்க ஜாப் கிடைச்சது. ஏன்னா டிசிப்ளின் சொல்லி நல்லா கற்றுக் கொடுத்தாங்க, அரவணைத்து போனாங்க. ஏன்னா குழந்தைகளை வந்து கோழி குஞ்சு அரவணைத்து போனாங்க. ஸ்கூல் டைம் முடிஞ்சாலும் மறுபடியும் ஒரு டியூஷன் மாதிரி எடுத்து நல்லா கற்றுக் கொடுக்குறாங்க.
Discipline and honesty are the two eyes of Laurel School. Laurel School students have very good discipline. This is what the feedback we used to get from the colleges where our school students have joined. This is a very big achievement. We are trained well by our management, so we are training the students in the path of success.
Triumphing over many hurdles and obstacles, it has emerged as a premier institution, offering quality education to the community around as well as the nation. Its aim to strive for excellence has motivated its students to emerge as leaders in various fields of engineering, medicine, business, and administration. It has given birth to entrepreneurs and intellectuals whose achievements only serve to testify to its greatness.
I love this school because it has unique characteristics of maintaining good discipline. Yes, Laurel stands for discipline. The big and beautiful science lab in our school created a new experience and very beautiful to understand the science experiments. All the teachers in our school are very friendly with the students. All the national events in our school are celebrated very grandly with great joy. The speech of the sirs and the teachers have motivated me very a lot.
Laurel School, upholding honor in honesty, boasts of a dedicated and experienced faculty, well-equipped infrastructure, and a rounded syllabus that includes a plethora of extra and co-curricular activities. The school also hosts annual days, sports days, and other celebrations with distinguished guests in attendance, and encourages the students to perform in the presence of this audience to bring out their hidden talents.
As Nelson Mandela, the Nobel Prize winner, what he told us about the education. There's no need to use any weapon like atom bomb to destroy a country. If you just reduce the standard of a country, automatically the country will be destroyed. If the standard of the education is reduced, automatically they produce useless doctors, lawyers, and that will be in other way around destroying the country. So here, when any child is not allowed to enter into a school, if they are weak in one subject, so we see the students are allowed to be admitted and see the problems, analyze the problems, and guiding them with the techniques we know from our experience, counseling them. So overcome the problem, the child gets a confidence on them. So naturally what will happen, the child will start to excel in all the fields. So that is our section. We all are teachable. That is our code of Laurel Metric Higher Secondary School.
It offers its students a completely holistic education that enables them to face the world with aplomb when they leave its portals. Its many distinguished alumni proudly recall the many happy days they spent within its walls.
It's me, Hina. I'm alumni of this school. Now I'm doing BSc Visual Communication. I'm the person who is more creative and wish to do many works. These talents of mine was not found by myself. My school gave me many encouragement to do and participate in many things. Where I need to share some of my life incidents to you. When I was at first, I participated in Mahatma Gandhi's life history skill, and from there my acting skills started. Now I'm participating in various street theatres and mimes. Then our school actually encouraged all the students to participate in various things.
Hi, I'm Abhishek Paul Jackson. I'm a proud educationalist and MD of Laurel Group of Institutions. And I'm proud to be part of the education family and the teacher faculty, because in everyone's life there has been school days wherein they have been taught what to do and what not to do, and the guidance that they got in their lives have enabled their lives to be successful and brought them success in their lives. Indeed, every child is molded in the arms of a sculptor, and in this case it's a teacher's. And as the saying goes, learn as much as you can while you're young, because life becomes busy later, by Diana Steven. Indeed, the individuals learn what is life in school, and we are here to promote the same. And we are here to guide them and counsel them, and my role here has been and will be to guide them in the right path. And there have been many such instances like tackling adolescence, career guidance, and criticism by peers, and so on. And we have been here and we've got lots of success stories in this regard. And Laurels has been one such institution which has produced any number of people across the globe as alumni who have been success stories, and we are proud to be saying that for the past 25 years we have been in this field and we have been successful. And I'd like to thank God for being with us in all the paths that we have taken, and this institution, growth, and right now attaining 25 years Silver Jubilee.
As it completes an era and steps into a new season of service, Laurel School pledges to continue its yeoman service to humanity and invites others in the community to enter in to experience its unique way of life. May God shower His choicest blessings on the school and all its members.